next train at platform 5 is the 13:55 service to Greystone.
This is a pretty weird experience, I'm not gonna lie. I was long for a second. I got my COVID results back and I was positive, so I had coronavirus. Yeah, so I moved houses in the robot castle thing. It sounds cool, but it's not a castle, it's just a dorm. I mean, it was a real bummer. Like, I was like really upset. I mean, I don't really care about my health. Like, if I'm sick for 2 weeks, I can probably still do my calculus and stuff. But I'm just worried about my friends. So honestly, like, I have a headache all the time, and I have a small cough, and I feel like I have a fever, but I don't have a fever. So, besides, I don't really care about that. I just want my friends to be healthy and able to hang out with each other. I walked into the housing, and everyone's like, "You don't have to keep your social distance. We all have COVID." And I'm like, fuck that. Like, I can't even get over that. Where am I right now? I got in, slept. Third day. It's better than what I have normally. I got a massive desk. All my food up here. Fourth day. Quarantine. I'm feeling okay. I don't really have a whole lot of symptoms. They kind of come and go. I'm here with these other people. And it's all like a friend group. And they're all psyched to be here because they all got COVID, so now they can hang out here together and not have to worry about like getting in trouble for congregating. We actually just started partying, and we were playing music super loud, and they actually all got calls individually, like about noise complaints. I think I'm in a weed quarantine. I think I could have left yesterday, but I just honestly didn't realize it. It's also raining, which is a bummer because I have to walk back to my house. Actually, it really sucks because it's a far walk. It's a good 5-minute walk, which doesn't seem far when you have like 80 pounds of shit. Then it is a lot. It's only love. Hey, I just completed my last final. I did calc, and it's kind of cool. I'm in Galway right now. I did my calc final. I had to do on white paper. I only have this notebook. I took the back of my old labs. I did it on the back of that. So pictures uploaded it. Boom. Boom. There we go. Alright, that's semester 1. We're gonna go to the pubs now. Well,